Hey, this is Team Tech Squad. Okay, we are practicing social distancing and wearing masks right now. But we're all social distancing at the park, so we're all going to take our masks off right now. Remember to be safe out there.
Hallelujah.
All right, so my name is Owen, and today we're going to be doing a molecule lab. So the key things about molecules are what a lot of, like almost everything on Earth is made of. It's when two atoms, like the tiniest particles in the world, come together and they form a bond. And atoms form bonds because some of them are positively charged and some of them are negatively charged. So you know that you might have heard, like with magnets, how if something's positive and something's negative and they come together, they're attracted to each other. That's what happens with molecules. So one positively charged or a couple positively charged ones can meet a negatively charged one or few, and they come together and they stay bonded. And so we're going to model that right here with some Play-Doh and some toothpicks. So let's get started. So you can see here at my toothpicks, I got my yellow Play-Doh, and we're going to be forming water. So as you can see right here, water is H2O, as you might have heard it called, and that means there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So the blue ones right here represent hydrogen, and the one big red one over here is oxygen. So let's create it. Let's start by forming 3 balls of Play-Doh. All right, roll them out. Make sure they're nice and good. It's a little breeze over here. We're at the park right now. And then, see, I already finished mine over here. And then we go ahead and take our toothpicks, and we take 2 toothpicks, and we stick them like this, and like this. And then we'll stick the last one like this, and like this. So you can see it right here, we create our own water. So the 2 hydrogens are at the bottom, and the oxygen is up here at the top. And the toothpicks represent the bond that the charges kind of create for them. So for oxygen, it is charged to the point that it can take 2 hydrogen. So yeah, here we are. And you guys can go onto the molecule website. We'll have it in our little pamphlet, and you can go and try to create other molecules like salt, which is sodium chloride, or different other ones, and see. But yeah, fool around with this, enjoy, and just keep learning about molecules. Thank you. That's the end of our workshop. Make sure you put your masks back on. Stay safe out there. All right. Bye, guys.
Stay safe.